Look at these delicious carrots. Yes, I said carrots. They look like yams. Come with me and I'll show you how to make them. Today we're going to be cooking glazed carrots. It's a side dish. It's only got about 3 ingredients, so it'll be easy to make. I use regular carrots. I peeled mine, sliced them up, washed them, and then I parboiled them. You have to do that for 5 minutes, or you can use baby carrots if you don't want to do all that peeling and cutting it up. Now I'm going to drain them. I've got my carrots here. I've drained them and got all the water off of them. And then I got 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted butter, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Get your oven to 400, and the cinnamon is optional, and everybody around here likes cinnamon. So we're going to put 1/4 teaspoon. I got my pan, an 8x8. I've sprayed it with cooking spray. It's kind of like candied yams in a way. You know how your mother used to just cut up sweet potatoes, except these are carrots. Got our 400, and we're going to put it in in the oven for 10 minutes. We took the glazed carrots out of the oven, stirred them, and put it back in there just for a few more minutes. Look at these carrots. It is great. They look so good. They kind of look like sweet potatoes, except they're carrots. So I hope you try this recipe. It's just got a few ingredients and it's real easy. So as always, God bless. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.